So hello guys and welcome to my YouTube channel SivaTube. So today I will show you how to use the predefined email template. You may have seen that promotional emails, or when you are getting the call letter or offer letter, then you have seen the email designed. It is very well designed. So how to develop that type of email, or how to use the predefined templates. So here I will show you how to use the predefined templates. So let's start. First we have to open the our you may have account on Gmail. You may have your account on Gmail. So I have logged by this. So first I will open the Drive, Google Drive. So here this is my Google Drive. So here already I have created the spreadsheet. If you haven't created this spreadsheet, then you can go here, new, and Google Sheets. So I have created, that's why I will open this one. So here I have added this, means these email addresses. You can add anything, and this one is working. So yeah, here you will find add-ons. Just click on this. I have already added my add-on, yet another mail merge. If you don't see this one, then you go get add-ons. Here you will find, you have to search like yet another add-ons. So here I have already installed, so let's get started by that. Yet another, I will click here start mail merge. So here they are asking about personal plan and invite friends. These are not required, just continue. And here you will find email template. So whatever the template you have created, that will show here. If not, then browse more email templates. This one is the predefined templates provided by the, means that yet another email. So here I will browse more email templates. So this one, yet another mail merge. This one means our Gmail is merged with this one. We have given access to that. So here this all the templates are, which are predefined templates. So I will choose one of them to show you. I will use this one. So here, after using that one, use this template. After clicking use this template, it will show open in Gmail. So just click open in Gmail. It will automatically redirect to your Gmail. So here you will find your template. It is just loading. So here you got, so here we got our email template. Now just here we have to change the name. I will write here, hi SivaTube, and I will write some body. hello, HMERR Mary, CHRISTMS, happy Merry Christmas. So I will write it. Now I will send to one of my email. So this email will be sent. I just want to show you. Yeah, here we got our email. So this one is the we got our mail. So this is the process to this is the process to use predefined template by using yet another mail merge. Actually we can change all these, means whatever this one we can change the image, we can change the image also. I will put some another image. Let's go back. I'll find some email. I'll find some images. Where is the image? Yeah. So here I will. So here I will use some. Yeah, this one. So this one I used. Means you can use whatever the process. You can design any type of email templates by your own. So this is the process to use the predefined templates. One more design I have created my own, so just have a look. Yeah, so this one I have designed by using some pic here, one pic here, and using some link. So these all are the process. First you have to open the Google Drive, and here you have to create one spreadsheet, and after creating the spreadsheet you have to go clicking on add-ons. I have already added the yet another mail merge. If you have not added, then get add-ons, and from there you have to add yet another mail merge and start email merge. And from here you have to do continue, and here browse email templates, and whatever the template you will use, you have to just use this template and open in Gmail, and after that you can do modification and send to anyone. So thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, then please share, and if you have not subscribed my channel, then please subscribe. Thanks for watching.